Welcome back, people, to episode number. Why am I so small? To episode number 17. At least I think it's 17. It is, right? Yeah. Last one was 16. I lost like in these episodes. Let's see how many projects do we have. So we have for now 48 projects, pretty good number. As you can see here, I placed here the record. It was 123. That was the last live stream. I don't know what happened. That was really crazy. I loved it. And now we have also really a solid number of projects that are submitted, and it is still not too late. You can still submit your project. You can go here to this link, review.thehorde.dev, and you can submit your open source project. You just go here to submit project, and here submit your project, and that's it. Let me put in some better like this Game Boy. I like this one. And one project is going to be picked from the Discord channel directly. So in one moment, I'm going to say, now put your repo inside of the Discord channel. And in order to do that, you need to join the Discord channel, of course, and that's on join.thehorde.dev. So come to the Discord channel, sit by the fire in our tavern, and let's see who do we have here. Already check. We have Loktar Ogar, Francesco. How are you doing, my man? Jay, hey, we played like Minecraft just 1 hour ago. This is my second live stream today. Really crazy. Yes, let me hear some orcish sounds. I want that one. That's the energy I want. Hello, guys. How are you doing? Really nice to see you. If you are looking this one, put one like, put something in chat. Let me hear you. Let me hear that orcish energy. I really love it. And should we start? Let's go. Let's turn on the Orc Machine for the first time today. Where is my Orc Machine? Here it is. Let's just refresh one more time to see. Oh, 50 projects. Nice. We have some projects coming in. Tell me that. Nice. And just one moment. I just want to check if I'm live on X. This thing is killing me. Looks like I am, but I don't know if I can share this thing. Post this. Okay, so I need to post this. How crazy. Like I need to say join the live stream. Okay. And post. There it is. X changed some things, so now I have to post my own live stream. Okay. Now we are good to go, and we can now turn on the Orc Machine. Let's go. Awesome. Let's see how many projects do we have. 50 still. So we are going to the Orc Machine. And how is this functioning? I'm turning on the Orc Machine, and it is going to pick one project randomly from this pool of 50 projects that we have. So picking our first project. Let's go. Oh, I saw WarcraftCN. Somebody submitted that one. Flow UI. Okay. Every library has somewhat same components, so my aim was to make the development flow for the dev more easier by having a library that provides components that they build daily on or for everyday project. And that's what Flow UI does. Okay. So they're all built on top of CN, Framer, and some are built from scratch. Nice. I think I know this project. Let me see if that's the one. Oh, maybe it is not. 4 stars, and we can see that this is one pretty new project. Let's see how many contributors. Well, so that's only one contributor. Okay. It's this Kushal Excoder. I'm not sure who is this one. And let's see. README. Beautifully designed copy-paste components for your next project. So, as always, rule number one for all visual things, especially for UI libraries, you want to put here showcase of your components. So we want to see here how are your components looking. We need here some screenshot or something that is showing how beautiful and different is your UI library. Yes, we read it, but that one is not enough, especially for something that you can show. People love to see like that. Here they see, oh my God, these components look good. I'll go to this link and check them out. So please put here some showcase of your components. Also, this logo and this title right here, they're not aligned. I don't like that, especially like you have to be careful when you're creating some UI stuff. Like designers and things like that can be really the things like that, and people like that can be really like picky about these things. So make sure to check out that one as well. Then here we have features, so build for real projects, developer flow first, motion with purpose. So we have some animations and something. We'll check it out in a moment. And here we have a quick start. So this is good. We have here how to put it inside for our Shredsian registry, although this is deprecated. So we don't need to do this anymore to put in the registry like this. Everything we need to do is just use this command. Shredsian updated this one. So this whole thing is deprecated in your case. So please fix this one as well. So you just need to put this command and that's it. That is going to add automatically this registry to your registry.json. So you're going to make it shorter. It's going to be better when you have just one, like you don't need to do init or anything. Just do this and Shredsian and everything together with your library, everything is going to be initialized. And we can see here some components and let's see them live. Okay, so we have here flow UI registry.firstCell. It still doesn't have the domain. Oh, I like this. I like this one, how it looks. Let me just turn in dark mode. What happened? I don't know. I had in my cookie probably dark mode set in the beginning, but it didn't work. So I had to change it 2 times. So make sure to check what's happening when somebody is coming for the first time on your page. It is not reading the cookie in the right way. So that's the problem. So let's see one more time. I'm going to refresh. We have these borders moving. Yeah, this one is looking really interesting, really nice. We see here these things. I'm not sure now if this one is looking good in this dark mode. Yeah, it shouldn't probably just disappear in dark mode, right? It should probably be some different color. I don't think that that's the intention in dark mode to work like that. This library for now, for me, looks better in light mode. Let's see the components. So first impression is I love this animation of these lines. And this here image is telling me what kind of library it is, but I'm still not seeing some components that I'd like to see. So let's see what do we have in components. Maybe you don't have anything yet, so maybe that's why. So we have here file select, okay. Lift button, what is a lift button? Oh, this one. Okay, navbar. This one is not looking good. There is no gap between these and there is no gap between anything here. So documentation, components, blocks, the gap is missing. So this one is a big no-no. If I would see this one and want to use it, I would probably not pick it because of this, because if there is this kind of obvious thing that is missing, who knows what is then like under the hood. Here we have password input, so we can here we have this I, which is revealing the password. This one is cool. Speaker, I'm not going to do that now. Text divider. Okay. This is maybe too basic. I don't know. We could probably build this. Like, I think this one needs to be more advanced. Changing text. So this one is, these are some animated components. Okay, this one is looking interesting. Scroll bar, this one. This is nice. This is nice to have. It's like we are going through with this scroll bar. Nice. And what is this? Alt buttons, copy button, and the bounced input. The bounced value. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Maybe for Francois and for Nux. The bounced input. So I guess this is just the beginning. I'm not sure, like, if there is nothing really usable so far. I mean, there are some. I have probably the biggest resource list of various libraries and things, and I've seen a lot of cool stuff. I think you're missing some special components, special blocks, maybe something like you can use, for example, this scroll bar is pretty interesting. I haven't seen this one so far. So you could bring some cool block based on this one, like some scrolling loading thing or something like that. This changing text is, again, it's little bit like beginner, let's say it like that, like it's from some beginner. File select. So let me be clear. So this is cool from technical perspective. This is a good start. I'm talking about commercialization of this project and bringing it to some real value for developers to use it. So I definitely think that you need more components. I think you used Fuma docs for this one. I love how it looks. You use like good principles for building this library. It's just that you need to bring more components. It needs to be nice and tidy. You cannot allow yourself these mistakes like in that navigation, like this one. So this is a big no for UI libraries to see something like this. So this is something that you can just go and click through your components and you're going to see it from the first time. So I'm not sure, maybe this is like Firefox doing the thing, but let me see. Yeah, on Google Chrome as well, it is not working well. So please fix those things. And on the main page, you could put here showcasing of your components. So same thing like for README. And I'm not sure this dark mode, if it's working well. Here we have some dark bluish and here black, and we are not seeing the animation in the same way like in light mode. So here we can see actually these borders moving, while in dark mode we are really not seeing it in. Oh no, we're actually seeing it. Okay, sorry, I missed that one last time when I changed to dark mode. But these two are not matching these colors, so think about that. And cool project. I'm going to add it to my list of UI libraries. So I hope you're going to bring some nice blocks. I like this kind of design, and this kind of UI library is still probably missing from the ecosystem, but you need to improve it. You need to build more. You need to build good components in a good way with blocks. Even templates like this would be really cool. And I think you can build something really cool from this library. Okay, let's see who do we have here. Yes, we have Francois. Nux only debounces URL updates. Yeah. Oh, the UI state is instant. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. Nice. Hello, Henil. Nice to see you, man. And let's go to see what else do we have. Let's first refresh. We have 52 projects right now, and I'm turning on the Orc Machine. Okay, picking a new project. Let's see if we have. No, picking a project. Quip slop. What the hell is that? Oh no, come on. Again, like last live stream, I had my own project. Now I have to do it again. Okay. I'm going to do this quickly because I think it's not fair to review my own project, but let's see. So first of all, it has really a nice number of stars for the first, like, this is not even a 1 month old project. It has almost 600 stars, which is pretty impressive. So we can see 7 contributors already. This is not real CN, so don't freak out. And we can see here that I have the title, description, and I have just a screenshot of the landing page, which is not good. So I'm a little bit lazy about this one. I have it planned out already. So we can see also here we have links for components, etc. And this README is not perfect. So I have to admit, I have to update this one. I want to put here usage, which is really important for something like this. And other than that, I think it's okay, like down here, just some examples how to use it. And we can go here to the landing page. So landing page was good like 10 days ago, but now we have really a nice set of components that we can showcase. Before it was only like card, button, and that was it. But now we can actually show something. So I need to create something like for 8-bit-CN, like showcasing and putting like a pack of components on the landing page. I think that one is going to be really good. So we had some really nice contributions. For example, this avatar, which is, I mean, this is crazy. Look at this. This is looking really good. We have orc faction, elf, human, and undead. And imagine this one being on the landing page. I think this one would be really cool to see. Like this one plus badges, plus buttons, plus the card, cursor. We have this cursor. We could use it also on the landing page for different factions. You can see here my cursor changing for undeads, etc. Also, this drop-down menu. So all these things are not on the landing page, and people should see these things because these are really cool, and people would really enjoy using this one straight from the landing page. So that was the thing that I was telling for the previous project. And check out these skeletons. It is really important for UI projects of any kind to put like a lot of things on your landing page so people can see it immediately when they land on your project. And someone is like going to say, look at this card, this is not something special. But that guy would maybe like, for example, that skeleton or avatar or something like that. And people are not seeing it from this first page. They have to go to components. Then here they have to say like, oh, let's go to avatar. Maybe they don't know what is avatar. So that's why it is important to put everything on the landing page. And a lot of things here can be changed. Like this is like some design that is not that good, like it's not telling fantasy enough, so it needs to change. And I will not take your time anymore. Thank you for all the awesome contributors that we had for this project. If you want to contribute, you're going to be on this page. And thank you. Let's move on. Turning on the Orc Machine one more time. Refreshing the page, we have 52 projects. So you can still submit your projects. You still have time. Just go to review.thehorde.dev. You're going to be inside of this pool, and you have a chance to be picked by the Orc Machine. So, turning it on. Yeah, Abu, nice to see you also. Thanks for your contributions, man. That was really awesome. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. I'm not even submitting those projects. Like, I'm going to delete all my projects before next live stream. This is a live stream. Yes, this is not a pre-recorded video. Why do you ask? Do I sound like a robot? Bias. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one. Picking a project. Now 8-bit-CN. That would be cool. Okay, Tabularis. I don't know what is that. This one. A lightweight developer-focused database management tool built with Tauri and React. Sounds interesting. Let's see. 271 stars. Pretty nice. And how old is this? Looks like it is not that old. It's like 1 month old or something like that. So this is a database management tool. I don't know how is this managing. Let's see. So we have here a logo, Tabularis, and okay, so it's just a like GUI for database. So it's lightweight, focused database management tool. Okay, available in English, Italian, Spanish. Interesting, they're covering multiple languages. They have their own Discord channel and they're calling it here. That's good. That's a good idea. I could probably do this also for WarcraftCN and things like that, especially for contributors. They want to join like some kind of community. This is a good thing that we are maybe overlooking on these live streams. I'm going to think about this. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Should we put like a Discord channel inside of the GitHub repo? That's probably a good idea if you want to call in like people in the community to contribute and things like that. And we can see here screenshot. I love this. Nothing fancy. We are just seeing a real screenshot of real data. I mean, real data, eggs, peanuts, and soybean, but data. And we are seeing, like, from this screenshot, I see exactly what it is. So this is really good. This is saying a lot about this project, and that's really important for a GitHub repo to do, because now we even don't have to go on the link. We already know that we can download this one, and we already have here download buttons. So this is, I think, really a good way of showcasing your own product on GitHub repo. Then we have here whole table of contents with installation, updates, gallery. So we have a gallery as well. Let's see, view the full gallery. Okay, here. And it is leading. But this is maybe a little bit like I don't know, this is not good to have like gallery and then you go to tabularis.dev, like the main domain. So this is not really a gallery, it's a link to the project. Okay, let's see it. How does it look? Tabularis.dev. I love the logo and domain and the name and everything. I think it's really good. And it looks pretty old school, I would say. You can see that this is some hardcore open source dev that created this landing page. It really looks like somehow old school, like it's coming from some like MS-DOS era, something like that. And the fact that Windows is here, the first download button says also a lot about this one. So we have here call to action buttons to download. We have here name, what it is, which is really good. We have also GitHub, Discord, so a lot of call to actions. And we have, again, the same screenshot with these eggs, mustard, sesame, etc. And here we have why Tabularis. So this project was born from frustration with existing database tools. And I can confirm this one. I used many tools for controlling my own data, and none of those are good, really that good. Like all the time you have some problems with like, you know, like filtering by ID and things like that, that UX is really not good. So I can agree with this sentence right here. And this is the answer. Okay, and why? Because it's the refreshing alternative built to prioritize UX without sacrificing power. It bridges the gap between native performance and web flexibility, using Tauri to keep the footprint tiny and startup instant. Okay, interesting. Really interesting. I have to say this one sounds really an interesting tool. Experimental AI assistance. That is also really good. Multi-database. So it is not. I missed this one from the beginning. I think this needs to be mentioned a little bit earlier. I was not sure if this one is Postgres or MySQL. So here we have the answer. It's for everything, but I don't know if that was like, we didn't have it anywhere here, but that's pretty important piece of information. Maybe here you could add somewhere like for all databases, for everything. It has MCP, Visual Query Builder, SSH, more. Yeah, this one is pretty good. This is incredible that this tool is open source. Different themes. Can we try it here? No. Okay. And here is the gallery that was promised in the GitHub repo. So we have here connection. So we connect to our database. Oh, I cannot go here by arrows. Okay. I cannot even close with my escape. You have to fix this one. So I need to click on X. Then here we select, so we have here querying. We can run our manual queries. Okay. This is, what is this? Schema creation wizard. Okay. Then pronto menu. Connection setup, and here it's saying pronto menu. Okay. Yeah, this is a cool tool. Really good that this one is open source. This one is not the same height as this one. So some UI things can be fixed, but it is not really that important for this one. This is not a UI library. important thing here is to use it and that it needs to be good. Now, I'm not going to test it right now, but I can tell that I think it's pretty good. Like the landing page, you could probably use this space more for some different things. Like you need to tell, for example, that this one is both for Postgres and MySQL. I think that's important piece of information to have on top. Then this GitHub, like you could put here just a GitHub icon probably and move this screenshot a little bit on top. You could put some GIF of you using this one, like from here, you go here and filter and then do something else, connect and things like that. I think that would be really good to see a video or GIF or something like that. And other than that, I think it's pretty cool. I love that it is like this, like old school, that you can see that it is like looking like from some retro 80s, 90s era. That one is really good. And yeah, interesting project. Really cool that this one is open source. Legends, I have to say it like that. And how many contributors? We have 3 contributors, right? Yeah. Nice. Awesome. Awesome project and really good. Thanks for submitting this one. Okay, let's refresh to see how many projects do we have now. 53. Nice. Let's see who do we have here. Hello, hello, nice to see you. And oh, MRR City developed. Nice, have to log in later. Okay, let's turn on the Orc Machine for our next project. Let's go. Picking next project. Please don't be 8BitCN. Oh, Jay, I saw Yaos right there. Web development resources. Awesome web development resources. Okay, your project. Oh, I know this one. This is from Marko Denic. Okay, let's see. So 8,000 stars, pretty awesome. And this is an older project. These are like, this is the list of resources from, and probably the biggest list of resources for web development I know. And it has even webdevresources.com domain. Let's see the, so README is pretty small. So here we have awesome web development resources, and this is an awesome project. Resources are added frequently, enjoy. So we could probably here have a little bit more information, like some, because now I know the project, so it's a little bit different for me. I know what to expect. But people coming here for the first time would probably want to know, like, what do they have here? Like, you could at least put here categories of all the things that exist in this project and even link to those categories. I think that would be really good, because let's go to the project now so we can see it. So here we have this landing page, pretty funny. I don't know why is it like this. I guess it needs to be minimal and like the fastest possible way of doing things. So like I guess this is because Marco wants to have his website here and all other products before actually taking to the list. So now we are going to the list, and here we have the list, and we can see here everything is looking like from 1990s. So this is like pure HTML with CSS, I guess. I don't think this is using any framework. So here we have like all the web development resources by different categories. So we have here like hosting and then different hosting. So this is the categories that I was talking about. So this thing right here could be here like under hosting. So everything could be under the README file. So people could go faster in different categories. So if I'm interested in, let's say, icons, I could click icons here from the README file, and it would lead me directly to README file. So let's see, what do they have? I know here I placed my 8BitCN, I think. Yeah, inside of this web dev resources. So this is if you have some UI library or something, you can come here, contribute to this web dev resources list, and you could have your project inside here. So I think that's really a good way also to have visitors on your projects. It doesn't have to be UI library, it can be anything. So you can see there are a bunch of categories here. And let's see if we could give some advice to Marco right here. What could he do for this one? So I guess that like the point of this design and this thing, like with this basic look, was to be like the most basic possible thing. And I respect that. I guess this is just like HTML, CSS, like I said. But I still think that in this era now of like crazy AI UI things, you could probably build this one to be really special. Like, I feel that we are missing here search, for example. I know I can go Command F and, for example, go 8-bit-CN, but I would like here to have some smart search, like here to start typing, for example, 8, and then I get a smart search with like all 8-bit things and things like that. So not only to search like inside of my browser. I think that would be pretty powerful feature for these web dev resources. Then like using something like, for example, you could probably build with one AI prompt with Fumadocs, for example. We could probably build a documentation of all these projects with one prompt. Like it would take probably a lot of tokens because we want to build, for example, a single page for each product here. And we could click, for example, on DigitalOcean, and it goes on a separated page, and there we have some explanation what it does, etc. That would keep the traffic on web dev resources, and they would not go straight to other projects from here. That's just an idea. I'm talking like out loud what could like I think of about this project. Oh, we have here back to top, like beneath every section, to come back here to table of contents. But yeah, main thing, like at least dark mode here would be really easy to implement and easy to add. And people would probably love to have here dark mode instead of this like full light mode thing. And really, I mean, I'm planning to build something like this on the Horde.dev for all the resources and all open source things that we like have from all these live streams. This is episode number 17. So we could put all those resources on the Horde.dev. And I'm still thinking about the right way. How should we display all the different resources and categorize somehow in one domain and have everything like in a good way displayed? So I'm still thinking about that. I'm like, your ideas would be really good for something like I want to build that together with you guys, with the community. While we are talking about the community, come join the Horde. So we are on Discord. We are starting to build things together. I want to build this, the Horde.dev and other things. So I think that one is going to be really useful. Not only like for people who are searching for some resources, but also these kind of projects are useful for people who have these resources. So putting here is potentially like putting you like for people to use it. So that is really good. And I think this is not only like open source web dev resources. Yeah, this is like everything. So we have here like things like DigitalOcean, etc. But really cool project. I really respect this one. All people who are like collecting resources and sharing it with others. That's really cool. And this is a thing to respect. So go here to this GitHub repo, give Marco a star. This is really an awesome project. And go and contribute your projects to this one. Really nice to see this in my live stream. Let's continue. Let's see how many projects do we have now. We have 54 projects currently, and let's turn on the Orc Machine one more time. And guys, now I'm going to put here inside of live submissions. So if you are on the channel, go to live submissions right here, and I'm going to put this line. So it is this channel, live submissions, and put your GitHub repo beneath this line, like Matt right here. And after this next submission that we are going to pick up, we are going to pick from Discord. So let's pick a project. Next project is going to be picked from Discord. So join the Discord. Join.thehorde.dev. Oh, let's go. I know this project. It's from my guy, Jure. Pillage first, ask questions later. I've spent you a ton with this project, but what I'd really appreciate is you taking a look at contributor guide and letting me know if there's something we're missing there or if there's something I can improve to make the new developer experience better. Thank you. Awesome. Let's see this, Jure. Really happy to pick up this project again. This project was picked like maybe, I don't know, 10 weeks ago, something like that. It has 126 stars. And this is an open source single player Travian alternative browser strategy game inspired by Travian T4 and Travian Kingdoms. So this is really a cool project. I played Travian a lot before, and that's why I love this project. And you can see it right here. Like, this is really crazy. Like, we have here now, they added this map, I think, that is now working. And I cannot remember like last time how it, like what it had, because I tested this one more than once. But let's see now how does it look. Let's first see that contribution guide. So all contributions are welcome. We're always on the lookout for contributors in development, game design, UI UX design. You can find a list of roles you can help with along with their description. So here we have some get involved link. And if this project interests you, we welcome you to join Discord server. Okay, let's see that link. So this is one big contributors guide. So basically anyone is welcome to test it out and to contribute. I mean, this one is looking good. I think it's okay. You probably need just more traffic and people who are willing to contribute. Basically, what I would recommend is to create here some issues. I don't know if you have issues. You have 5 issues. Okay, so you have marketplace enhancement, wiki pages. Yeah, so marketplace, for example, is really a big feature. Like, guy needs to be really crazy in order to assign this one to himself and to do like this whole feature. This is probably like, this is really long feature to create a marketplace. You could probably separate that one in 10 different issues that are connected to marketplace. So somebody, for example, creates the logic in the backend, somebody creates the front end, somebody creates like, you know, just like assets and images and things like that. So you don't have one crazy person doing all the things. I don't know now if this is crazy person that assigned this one to himself, but I'm not saying, of course, nothing bad. It's just that this is really a big issue, and I don't know if anybody can do this, like, and to contribute to something like this big. But let's see the project. Let's see what have you done now. So try now. Game world. I'm going to choose. Oh, you have Huns and Egyptians. Well, this is new, crazy. Let's choose the Huns. Create server. Okay, so you're still missing here the images. You can create this one literally in 10 minutes with Gemini, with Nano Banana. You should probably do this one. This is really easy now to do. Like, so you can do this pretty quickly. I don't know why. Like, don't wait for designers. Just do it with AI, and later you can iterate if you don't like it. Then let's see. So here we have quests. We can collect a reward. We build something. So here we can build our clay pit. Construction is on, what am I? Oh, I'm building this one. Okay. Yeah, this one is the longest to build. Then we have the map. Okay, so I don't have my village image right here. And can I go and attack? What is this? Adventures. Yeah, this is for quests. We can this auction house, resources. So I can. Oh yeah, my queue is. Can I actually cancel my queue? I cannot. Okay. Reports. Yeah, it's looking exactly the same like Travian, and it's just I think I'm not seeing anything new from like 10 weeks ago. I don't know what if you were working on this one before. Oh, I can cancel here. Okay. Let's build some wheat field. This one is the quickest. Yeah, 2 minutes. Okay. And I know you said something about the map, but I cannot remember what exactly. Oh, we have here Yuria. Yeah, nice. I've tried making the images with Gemini. It has been really inconsistent. Okay. But you probably need just a little bit better prompting, like create a prompt with AI and then prompt with that prompted prompt and create like some same styling. And from the first image, you can just then give other image and say, I want this same style, but barracks. Then I want this same style, but I don't know, wheat or something like that. You just need to build with your images. But I really love this project. I mean, I posted this one yesterday on X. This is really a cool project. I would really like to see this one to succeed and to become like a. This is not even a beta. This is not playable yet. So I would really love to see this one in some playable state where we could come like 20 players and come here on one server and then really play something, build and play around. I think that would be really cool to see. But yeah, if anyone now from Livestream would like to contribute to this project, go here to this one, give this guy a star. I mean, this is really crazy project. I'd really like to see this one to be like even better. New features are statistic pages, top left, player pages, Oasis bonus finder. Oh, okay. So you have some new features. Let me return back to this one. So what is that one? New features like statistics? Where is oh, this one? No, it's not this one. This one. No. Oh, this one, top right. Oh, okay. So we can see here like other players. Yeah, this was the biggest thing before, like to be first on the statistics. Oh, okay. Yeah, so the engine was the problem. Nice. Okay. Update me on this one on Discord, please. I would really like to see these projects and to see how it goes. Nice. Okay. Let's move on. Let's see now what do we have from our Discord. First to see if we have any new projects. We don't have 54. And how is this functioning? So now I'm going to get this random number thing. And here, if we put, for example, 500, we are going to get one random number out of 500, as you can see right here. And now we are going to the Discord channel, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 projects. So I'm going to put here number 9 and pick a generate random number, number 8. Okay, let's see what is that. So it is from Preet, I think. So let's see one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eekiform. Okay. Let's see Eekiform right here. So it has 336 stars. It's the open source forms platform for effortless data collection and analysis. This description sounds a little bit AI-ish, I would say. And that's like from the old AI. I think this one needs to be updated. It just feels like that. Don't get me wrong. Let's see the README file. So first thing we have that it is the Vercel open source thing. I think this one needs to be on bottom. This is not really that important. I mean, open source Vercel program is great, but you need to show here the real thing, and that's your forms. So you're missing here a big opportunity to put in the screenshot of your forms. Again, like for your libraries, you have a visual thing, you should show it because people love to see what are they going to get. And I think that one is really important here. So we can see here that Eekiform is a modern AI-powered form builder and analytics platform. So form builders, we have now a bunch of form builders. You definitely need to stand out. This AI-powered is probably important here. So that's good. You could put that one also in your screenshot, like AI-powered, and then some like image of nice looking forms. And we have here tech stack, which is Next.js 16, React 19, Supabase. Okay, so this one is nice. Using Base UI, that one is also good. We have ShadCN CLI, also really great. And we have a quick start scripts. Okay, let's see how does it look. The landing page. So build forms, collect responses, and analyze. We have create your first form and try a demo. Sponsored by Vercel. Okay, here in the badge, it makes sense. And here we have our first demo. I somehow feel that we need to have this demo a little bit before. Build forms, collect responses, and analyze. This sentence is a little bit like we are collecting responses, okay, and analyzing. This is like some kind of, let's say, business talk. What do you need to do? Like here from this sentence, I cannot determine if this is more for developers or for some business side, for managers and things like that. What do you guys think? Not sure. Oh, damn, some features of Eekiform is down. Damn, okay. But I think you should show this one a little bit earlier, maybe to move this one a little bit on top, like to be here or something like that. And then we can see like your forms here, like as soon as we land on this page. So here we have a form demo. We can see here, how does it look? So we have here personal details. I can type in like orgdev here, like orgdev.com. Some company, okay, like let me copy this one and then we can go next. Session preferences, so we can see here that we have this progress bar, which is really good. So this drop down is not good. You can see here, let me try to zoom in if it's going to be, you see, we are here, it's not the same. We have here this gap between the drop down and the button, and I think this is not good. You could also probably, this is like a select drop down, whatever it is. Maybe this could be some kind of combo box or something like that. Maybe that could be better than this one. But this is a UI thing that is annoying me. You see this thing right here. Also on the bottom, like on the bottom, we can see also the button that it is visible. So I would probably fix this one to be the same width, height, etc. Not height, but height, of course, needs to be like the whole thing, but you could probably make it a little bit better. So let me zoom it out. Then we select something here. So let's put this one. Oh, it's not choosing actually. Yeah, you see, when I choose something, it is not visible here in the select an option. So we need to see that option that is selected. Not sure now, maybe this is because it is not working currently, or if you're like, you said some features are down. Oh, okay, so it's not polished. Okay, so this is a new, yeah, this is a good thing that you migrated to Base UI. That's really good. Good work on that one. So 12 minutes ago. Crazy. Okay, so I'm going to forgive you for those small UI things. Yeah, I know you're a good developer. You're going to fix all those small issues. So here, meal preferences. So also we are not seeing here what are we putting inside of our select. We are going next and things like that. Okay. You know what's missing here? It would be really good to show these forms in different resolutions, then in different themes. So you could put here, you know, those things in UI libraries. You have here like some kind of nav bar for your component. And here you can choose like mobile, tablet, desktop, and you can choose also like light, dark mode. Then you can choose things like, I don't know, Dracula theme and things like that. So you could choose different themes and different variations of your form so people could see how is this looking on mobile and if it is good in some themes, etc. So those are all the interactions that people love. And I think that would be really good to add to your demo. Let's see then form builder. So here, let's see, you have go to dashboard. What is that? Okay. I don't know if this should be here, this go to dashboard thing, because it's opening the same thing. Settings. Okay, so this nav bar should probably not be here because settings is opening this one and then settings is opening actual settings. So this UX needs to be a little bit more obvious for normal people, not for crazy devs. So let's try it out. Text input. Oh, okay. So this one is now not working normally. So we need to go here. Okay, I'll forget about this first thing. So we're putting in the text input. Here we want, so we are seeing the example. What are we going to create? This example, wait, this is not the example. This is not looking good because let's put in another text input. So we are basically not, I thought that here we are seeing what we are actually building here, but it's not that one. So this whole thing is not working currently, I guess, because of the base UI migration. But basically what we are building here, we should see right here on the right side as an example. So we are building the form, which we are seeing here, and we could test it out. So you have here multiple things. I don't know now where is here the AI thing. How can we build here with AI? I don't know. So these are like, are these form settings or some quiz and scoring? Okay. Save. Form ID is required to save settings. Yeah, this whole UX, I think, needs to be a little bit better. It's really hard to understand what am I now. I don't know anymore what am I trying to do and what should I do. So you definitely need some better like onboarding for this one. You could do things, you know, those things like when I first come to this settings page, I could do like I could have here highlighted, hey, put in the text input, then I put, and then here, hey, you can now see it here. Then from here, hey, go to settings and put in your quiz and so, like thing that is going to guide me, like in video games. Because for now, like from what I saw, like for the first time, I'm here now for the first time. I mean, I saw your project a long time ago, but now when I see it, I think it needs to be a lot better UX than this one. Again, not sure if this is happening because you are doing the whole refactoring thing. Oh, you need to log in to access the AI builder. Okay, nice. So we're not going to test the AI builder now, but I can see it here from this GIF. So AI is building your form. Instant form creation, just describe it and launch. Convert visitors in seconds. This one is really good. So this GIF is, it is okay, but I think it could be a lot better than this one. So we need to see that we are actually putting here a prompt. And then from that prompt, we are creating our form. So you could think maybe about a video or a little bit better GIF, something like that. Also, this AI form builder that's probably the most important feature right now in Eekiform. So I'm not sure if you're mentioning it here. AI, I don't see it anywhere. You should probably mention AI feature on top. Then I don't know if you have dark mode. Do you have dark mode? No. You should probably implement dark mode, especially because forms are pretty important. I mean, that's UI after all, so it needs to have dark mode, and people need to see how is it going to look in dark mode. I'm not sure now if you have it. Some maybe I don't see it. No, there is no dark mode right here. So you definitely need a switch between light and dark mode. And yeah, so there are a lot of, like I said, there are a lot of form builder projects right now, and you definitely need to think about some good special way how to get like devs and visitors who come to your eekiform.com, how to keep them there and how to make them to create, to log in, to create, to sign up, and to start creating their forms. I see that you have here pricing, so there is a monthly plan, lifetime access, annual plan, and you need to fight. You need to fight really hard because there are now open source solutions that are doing this same thing. So you definitely need to make them stick more when they come here to this landing page, and you just need to do it. You need to make something attractive in order for people to say, hey, wow, I'm going to use this. This is going to save my time. I'm going to use this one. So definitely think about making a better landing page, making it more attractive for the users, and also fix that in your GitHub repo as well. You need here also users to say, whoa, this is good. I'm going to click here on this link. Those are all the important things that you need to think about. And good luck, Pritz. Really nice to see your project here. Let me see forms here, customization where you can put dark mode. Yeah. Yeah, I think you need to think about a way to show dark mode as well here. Okay, let's continue. What's the time? Let me see. We have time for one or two, maybe more projects. So let's refresh. We have 56 projects. I'm going to remove this random number thingy, and I'm going to turn on the Orc Machine one more time, maybe two. Let's go. Okay, picking a project. Good luck. Let's see. Oh, yes, there it is. Vesper Launcher, the website of my Minecraft launcher. Oh, am I going to play? Oh, damn. How did you put the wrong URL? Vesper Launcher. Let's go on this dev. Maybe we can find it quickly if we cannot find it. No, I think this repo is not public, that it is private, and that's why we cannot see it. So I guess we are going to pick another project. Let's go. Good luck, guys. This is your lucky day. QDock. QDock is a lightweight macOS menu bar app that tracks and visualizes your AI coding session usage across tools like Cloud Code and Codex CLI. It helps developers monitor token consumption. Okay, nice. Let's see. QDock. 1 star. New project last week. 28 commits. 2 contributors, and Claude is the main contributor. I love these new projects. Like there are a couple of projects that we already seen here in the live stream where AI is the bigger contributor than the contributor himself. So we can see here a native macOS menu bar that shows AI coding quota, and this is perfect. So this is the thing that I really love. This is a GIF that is showing exactly everything that we need to know. Only thing I would say to improve this one is to zoom it in a little bit, because like we have this big black thing and this thing is really small. So this okay, this part here okay, but other slides, this one can be like this big, and this one as well. So just make this one big and it's going to be perfect. I kicked my camera. Did I turn it off? No. Okay, nice. So let me hear you, chat. Come on. Like you are all so quiet and watching and nothing. Let me hear some orcish sounds from you guys. Like this live stream is soon going to finish and you are not talking anything. Let's see. So we are installing it with npx command. Optional flags, download. We have here the application. Okay. Let's see no, it is not working. I'll try to hard refresh. I'll try to go to Google Chrome as well, so we can say that we tried everything. No, it is not working. Damn. So how are you doing, guys, today? Are you all good? Are you all 404 like this macOS app 7, or you are good? So really sad that to see this one. We had something like this also before with RuneScape-CN last live stream. But I love this that we can see like the usage thing. I think that it is really good. Here also the session and everything. We definitely need some solution for this one, because currently I'm going like to, if I want to check for Claude, I'm going to Claude AI. If I want to check for OpenAI, I'm going to OpenAI platform. So we need some solution for this, so we can collect like limitations and everything from like our native thing. And there is nothing left here. So advice. So first one is to make all these things bigger. That's definitely. Then here, this is a good thing. This description, install. You could put here a list of features. I don't see here now any features. So you could probably put in like, what can you do with this one? Maybe this one is that. No. Oh, official website. Maybe this one is working. Oh, this one is working. Okay. So fix this thing right here. This is probably an old domain. And we have here this one. Let's see this one quickly. I don't know how. It's not purple, but I can see that this one was created by AI. Crazy. Claude and Codex usage tracker for macOS. Install now. How it works. We have here the same thing. Install in 30 seconds. I love this one. So this is really important for these kind of things. So you can put like some like user story, how to do everything. This is really good. So we just need to install it with npx, download this file. This is for manual, and build from source. Okay, this is to build it from source instead of this one, and how to launch it. So this is working only on macOS for now. This is not working on Windows or on Linux. And how it works, FAQ. I think you need a feature list here to show it, like all the things that you can do. You could probably do some carousel thing with all the features, so people can go through the features and see through the screenshots as well. How does it look? You can also show it. I'm curious to see it on real OS. Here we can see this fancy screenshot, but I want to see it like on real OS, like with icons, with everything behind, with the desktop, to see how does it look. Because now from here, I don't understand where am I seeing this UI. I guess I'm pulling this one through my desktop, but I want to see like the real thing. I think that screenshot would be really good. And cool project, really cool idea. I saw a couple of projects like this, and I think we are going to see a lot of projects like this. Cool that this one is open source, and good luck with this one. Please update your thing right here, the link to the right one. Awesome. Let's see how many projects do we have. We are not beating the record, that's for sure. 56. Last live stream, we had 123 projects, so we didn't beat it, not even half of it. And let's close this one. People, we are having this same live stream next Tuesday. So what am I going to do right now? Here in the Orc Machine, I'm going to put in this button. Let me show it that one to you quickly. So this button right here, I'm going to delete all the projects that were reviewed today, and they are going to show up on the reviewed projects here. So we can see here projects that we reviewed today. And now I'm going to delete all the projects that we submitted previous week. So where is that project reviews? Here from the projects. And now you can actually submit again for next week. So go to the review.thehorde.dev, and I don't know why this thing is caching from some reason. I don't know why, but we can see here that it is 0. So go and submit your project for the next live stream, and also join the mighty Horde on the Discord channel on, where is our link? Join.thehorde.dev, the best subdomain you have ever seen, and the best subdomain I ever created in my life. And good luck. Next week, we are having on Tuesday, 4 p.m. Central European Time, again, this same live stream, and we are going to review your open source projects live. So I hope you enjoyed in this live stream. See you next week, guys. Enjoy. Ending the